No, 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 honey. We gotta sit again. We can't get down until the puzzle's all done. So, we have to try. There you go.
I did it!
You did it!
Next time I hit the oven.
Oh. Yeah, she goes. Well, you stood up before we did the puzzle piece. So, can you do the spoons?
No, I can't.
You're just gonna sit?
I got to do it all by myself. What did you say?
Try. There you go. Sit on the chair. You're doing great, honey. Get back on the chair.
Yes, he's over me.
Back on you. Oh, okay. Here, hold my fingers. Let's try it this way again.
Thank you.
Want to get my thumb? Okay, you can get my thumb. There you go. On the toe. Wonderful.
I did it last year.
Alright, now, let's do one more piece of the puzzle.
Two more.
One more.
Two more.
Well, these are the ones left. So now we stand back up. Great job. And then you're going to hold my hand. Now, how do you sit? How do you bend that knee? There. Wonderful. Can you get the refrigerator in? Yes. Well, no, we had it the first time.
It's open.
It is open, so you can see all the food inside.
But it's open.
Right. Now, up again.
Either I can't do that.
Well, when you sit down again, you can do another puzzle piece. Grab my hand.
How much can I do? Make it.
That's a good finger. There. On the toes and...
I said yes on that.
Okay. That's a stove. Where's the stove?
The stove is right here.
You're very silly. Where's the stove?
Very sweet.
Nice ball. There.
Everything says.
You are being silly. And up.
No.
You want to try it with just the table? You need to sit down and bend your knee.
Yes.
Wonderful! And you did it.
So I can get up and down.
Now where did those go? Great. And up.
That way.
Alright, we're going to do last time. How do you want to sit down? Holding my hand or holding the table?
Holding my a kid's table.
Okay.
This is a kid's table.
Well, how do you sit? Think about how you bend that knee. There you go. Mm-hmm. You did it.
I hope it so I can be crazy. Daddy, egg and daddy.
It's a whisk.
Let's put it in.
Ta-da! Okay. Are you ready for lunch?
I think it was really doctor the fact that was